Let's kick this off, guys. So ProWorkshop, we've taken a little bit of a break. I think last time we did one was June. I haven't been on for quite some time, so very excited to be back, and love seeing the number of attendants. It actually keeps on climbing here. But we'll get into today's presentation and update for you guys. One of the exciting things here that you see on this screen is a new marketing piece that the team put together. At the very top, you kind of see this tagline of "Only at Light Efficient Design." You guys know that we really pride ourselves on our innovation, and we really have a lot of unique offerings that other manufacturers are not able to offer. So just want to walk you through this, but just in case, if you want to find, if you want to know where you can find this, we did post this on LinkedIn a week or two ago. If you go to our homepage of the led-llc.com website, and scroll down, it's right next to our latest catalog, so you can find it there. And then for all our reps on the call, you guys should be receiving this in the mail this week. So if you're not one of our reps, contact one of them and they should be able to get you this flyer in person. But just to kind of quickly walk you guys through what you're seeing here. So we are the only one that offers 1,000-watt retrofit lamps that are directional for both shoebox and high bay. The hazardous retrofits is something we've been known for quite some time, and a little bit of a tease, but we are coming out with a higher wattage, higher lumen package, hazardous class 1 Div 2 lamp. On the bottom, SOX lamps, a little bit more niche for California, Arizona, but we have started to see a lot of sales come our way from Ontario, Canada. So, you know, if you got low pressure sodium lamps out there, we got the solution for you. One of our other famous categories, PL lamps. We're one of few manufacturers really to offer that true hybrid type A and type B for 4-pin solutions. A lot of people will advertise that. However, they aren't compatible on electronic ballast. They're just compatible on magnetic ballast. So keep a lookout for that. Our 2-piece 8-foot T8, which I'll show you guys a little bit later. And then we've got dimmable PAR 56 lamps. Don't see many people with anything like that out there. And then on the next page, we've got our work lights. So as many of you know, we've got that 35-foot cord that allows for easy daisy chainability and actually being able to space these things far enough apart on a work site. And then we've got our new 277-volt work light also available. If you guys want to pull out your phone and take a picture of the QR code, rebirth to QR codes, one of the few highlights, I guess, from the past year or so. You will see our quick install video. So our Chief Innovation Officer, David Gershaw, installing our Troffer transformer. It's so easy to install. And even more exciting is we were going to have a new side-by-side comparison video coming soon, ours versus competitors. And you guys can see how it literally is half the time and half the pain to install. And then LBI, one of our company's top selling SKUs, can be used in so many different ways. The product itself does not do it justice. We are, you know, continuously asking for installation photos. And I think you'll see a fun contest from us coming soon about, you know, LBI, where it's being used. So be on the lookout for that. And then Solera, our solar lighting brand. A couple products coming soon. We'll have a hybrid solar area light compatible up to 400 watts, comparable up to 400 watts. So that's coming soon. And then this is one of the announcements, Rebecca. So we will soon have a hybrid solar LED wall pack that's also flex color. So big news from us. Really excited to bring that product to market. It'll be the second product type in its family, in addition to the area light that you see there on the left. Coming back to the top, again, something that's unique to us is having high voltage 480 volt retrofit. So again, the directional style, but we've got 400 and 1,000-watt 480 volt retrofit lamps. Second big announcement, there's still one more to come, so you'll have to stay tuned, but that's right, flex color wall pack and shoebox lamps. Those are coming very soon. Be on the lookout for more information, but we're bringing the technology that we're going to talk about today in our post tops and bollards, and we're bringing it to one of our other really popular categories here. So today, a little bit of a review of some information you may have seen in the past, but we've got some really cool new competitive info and a little bit of a fun game that I hope you guys engage with us as we go. So Just a quick reminder on SuperFlex. So we got our buddy Edison there, SuperFlexing with the SuperFlex lamp. How many times can I say that? I'm going to cap it at that. But you got 3 color temperatures and 3 wattages in one. So 9 SKUs, all in one lamp, just huge for inventory efficiencies and in-field adjustability. As we approach lighting season, and the reason we wanted to revisit this product offering is this is when our outdoor lighting sales really go through the roof. People are noticing their lights are, because it's getting darker earlier, and noticing that the lights are out and they need to be replaced. And we make it easier for our distributor partners to stock these products with a 9-in-1 approach. So it's literally these 3 SKUs here. So you got our 45 watt that can go down to 35 or up to 60 and both medium and mobile. And then you've got our 100 watt that goes down to 80 and up to 110 watts in mobile. Of course, our mobile base retrofits are going to be DLC listed. They're also DLC 5.1 compliant. So come next summer, you don't have to worry about checking with us. We are good to go for that. One of the biggest things, in addition to the technologies, we greatly reduced the size of our lamps. So you can see that on this slide. So this is from our Dash A, but we literally shrunk the lamps anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, or even a little over 3 inches in one of the cases here. But really want to make sure that we fit into those fixtures, really have focused on the HID lamp envelope size that we were replacing. So we don't want to make returns a habit by any means. So we're doing our part to help these solutions fit into those fixtures out there. Just a simple transition slide. You guys have seen this transition SKU slide, I should say. Pretty much everything's the same. You guys should have seen now for a while that we use 3, 4, 5 because those are the 3 color temperatures available in each lamp. The only really main difference is, again, this 8046 is going away to the 8024 when you dial it up to 60 watts. It's practically the same lumens, but it's the 8046 is now available at a fraction of the price. Can't talk, exact pricing on this call, but it is about a 1/3 reduction in the price. So I think that benefits everybody here. And then let's not forget, but our small lamps, our bollards are offered in flex color. We do these in just flex color because the size is so critical on these. As you'll see on the little graphics here, but our smallest lamps go down to 5.3 inches, which is the same size as the ED17. So we really do feel and know it's important from listening that we're able to fit into those jelly jar applications. So you really do want to have the right product for the right application and wattage there. You guys just saw the sneak peek, but boom, this is why we say it's never been easier to stock retrofit lamps, especially for lighting season. But we used to be at 45 SKUs and now we're at 9. So you don't have to worry which color temperature, 4,000, 5,000, or, you get those, somewhat infrequent 3,000 K requests. Well, it's all in one lamp and we are helping bring down your inventory. The next segment is going to be a little bit more show and tell. So obviously you guys have looked at enough PowerPoints today and I'm sure this year, but so what's unique about our 8-foot fixture and retrofit solutions? We got them 3 ways. So we got lamps, we got retrofits, we got retrofit kits, that is, and we got fixtures. But really the 3 keys are they're easy to ship, easy to store, and easy to install. So at Light Efficient Design, we're trying to help you guys hit that easy button, right? So with that, I'm going to show you guys one of our first 8-foot solutions. So I have the lamp here with me. It's not Star Wars Day here, but so basically we ship and store 2 4-footers that connect in the middle here, as you guys can see. We do offer both base types. So we offer the single pin, the FA8 base type or single pin, and then we offer the R17D double recessed pin as well. So the single pin, the part number has a DE in it, and the other one, the R17D, has an HO in the part number. So a lot of people have asked, really cool, love the concept and everything, but how does it look? How does it illuminate? Is there a big gap of light in the middle? So I want to show everybody today what that looks like. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. So I'm going to hold it up here. We also provide a clip in the middle that has a magnet on it to help prevent socket sag. So you can see just holding on one end, you're going to have a little bit of that. But you can see here in this demo that there is not a lot of light break in the middle of this 8-foot solution. So really cool, as far as the shipping, the storing, and the installation purpose of it. So that is available today. So check it out on our website, inventory report, all that good stuff. But with that, I'm going to bring back in Dan LaJoy, our senior sales engineer, to show you guys some more cool stuff when it comes to 8-foot solutions for retrofit kits and fixtures. And that was a bypass. So thanks for asking that, Mark. Bypass the ballast on that 8-foot 2-piece T8. So Dan, you want to join us on video and show us what you got?
Yep, it's saying the host has to turn my video back on. I'm trying to turn it back on here.
No worries.
All right, let's try it now.
Okay, there we go. So we're in a fancy Zoom room here in Middleton. So I have 3 of our products that can also be used as 8-foot solutions. So our first product, this is the 4-footer. So this has not been converted to the 8-foot solution yet. This is our new base linear strip. So this is a really easy to install product. It has some buttons right here to open up the driver compartment. This unit is flex color, and the switch is on the inside, so that way you don't have people messing with it without actually having to get in there a little bit. So with the 8-foot solution, we offer a bracket kit. This is available for wall mount or suspended, and so you can see that this keeps everything nice and straight and strong for a suspended or ceiling mount application where you want an 8-foot solution. The really cool thing about this product is these end caps are made out of the same translucent frosted material as the lens. So this center section will glow pretty well here in the middle. And so that's our 8-foot or continuous run solution for the base strip. So you don't have to stop at 8 foot, you can keep going. So that's a great product. Another great 8-foot product is our Lbi. So this product has been a great seller as a 4-foot solution. So this one, we have a bracket kit. Again, this bracket kit can be suspended or just for an 8-foot solution to keep it straight and strong. This one you simply link together, and then that bar will dim together. The dimming is pass-through on the Lbi. So once you link those together, they are connected and ready to go. So then this is a great 8-foot solution, but it is continuous, so you can go beyond 8 foot if you'd like. Our last solution here is the Lbi. So the Lbi is our stairwell and corridor fixture, but this fixture is also very popular for lobby areas, locker rooms, and gyms. So this would go like over your mirrors, over your sinks, over your lockers. Great solution here. We have a bracket kit that connects the two. This one does not glow, but it does put a professional junction into your Lbi 8-foot solution. So those are some ways that we've made our existing lineup great solutions for 8 foot. One new product that we want to highlight as well, even though it's not specifically related to the 8-foot solutions, is the Lbi Junction Box. So this is a 4-inch by 1-inch box that has the Lbi output connector on one end, and then it has a number of circular knockouts and places to bring conduit entry in. Each unit comes with an on-off switch, which you can put into the faceplate. There's a rectangular knockout on that faceplate that you can see there. Not going to be able to focus there with that camera. And then you have all of your wiring connections for AC power and your 10V DIM and 12-volt auxiliary. So you could connect a control system or dimming in through this junction box. And then simply you can use a seamless connector or linking cable into this junction box and get power into your LBI system that way. So that's what we have for 8-foot solutions. We can kick it back over to Doug and Rebecca. If they have any questions teed up, I can answer that.
No, fantastic, Dan. Really, it's pretty neat when you take a step back to realize we do have a lot of 8-foot solutions. And again, with the fund rising freight costs and everything associated with that, it's nice to be able to ship these as 4-foot solutions and install them as 8-foot on the job site. So, but no, thank you for the updates. I think I've got one last big announcement. I said I had 3, so I've teased 2 of them so far. So I will bring back our deck real quick. But thank you, Dan. But yeah, hang around so we can answer some questions after the quiz. So.
Okay.
All right. So there it is, guys. Big announcement coming from Light Efficient Design. And the big announcement is, all right, I don't know who put this deck together, but big announcement is not Cannonball. I'll have to double check these slides next time. But anyways, big announcement from Light Efficient Design is that we are soon introducing Remfos base, flex color, and flex watt wall pack fixtures. So Remfos base, if you're not familiar, is the features and reliability you expect at an unexpected price. So Remfos base is typically 5-year warranty and DLC standard products, but we do offer a lot of the innovation that we do with the Remfos Pro version. So in this case, you do see flex color and flex watt in some cases. I'm not going to dive too deeply into this because this will be the main event at our next Pro Workshop. But you see that we've got traditional style, we've got the adjustable wall pack, we've got full cutoff, and we've got the wall pack mini. So it's literally 8 SKUs, but again, in Remfos fashion, those 8 SKUs equal 39 combinations. So really exciting. This is a good step for Light Efficient Design and the Remfos brand and getting into more of outdoor solutions. But if you think about it, it's not just a step into outdoor solutions. And why do I say that? So if you think about it, right? So I'm talking about wall pack fixtures from Remfos brand. But for the last decade plus, we've had outdoor retrofit lamp solutions. And now we're going to be offering those in flex color. So we've got flex color lamps, we've got flex color fixtures. And then if you remember back to earlier on, we're going to have a flex color hybrid LED wall pack fixture. So if you want to look at it from a merchandising perspective of a good, better, best, absolutely. But you've got lamps, fixtures, and solar LEDs. So really cool to be able to offer this to all of our partners out there. And we are really the only manufacturer to be able to tout and claim that we've got flex color, any way you want it, whether it's lamps, fixtures, or solar. So that is our big announcement. We're really excited to be able to offer our distributor partners, our contractor partners, those end users that have been Light Efficient Design supporters over the last, again, decade plus. But we've got solutions for you guys in all sorts and styles, all sorts of different types of fashion here. So thank you guys for joining us.